Unlocking the rhythm. Understanding, lay down the groove. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that musicians and music enthusiasts love: lay down the groove. This expression is not only central to music but also carries significant cultural and linguistic weight. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Lay down the groove is a phrase deeply rooted in the music world. To lay down means to establish or set something in place, and the groove refers to the rhythmic pattern or feel in music that makes you want to move or dance. When someone lays down the groove, they are creating a strong, infectious rhythm that forms the backbone of a musical piece. This phrase is commonly used in contexts involving musicians, especially those playing rhythm sections like drums or bass. The concept of the groove has its origins in the African American musical tradition, particularly in jazz, funk, and soul music. It's all about the sense of timing, feel, and the interplay between musicians. A groove can transform a piece of music, giving it life and making it resonate with the listener. The ability to lay down the groove is highly valued among musicians, as it requires both technical skill and emotional intuition. While this phrase originates in music, it's also used metaphorically in everyday English. To lay down the groove in a non-musical context can mean to establish a good pace, set a productive atmosphere, or create a positive vibe in any situation. For example, you might say, "Let's lay down the groove for this project," meaning to start on a strong, positive note that encourages teamwork and productivity. Lay down the groove embodies more than just a musical technique. It signifies a cultural ethos of creativity, collaboration, and rhythm in life. It celebrates the joy and communal spirit found in creating something that moves people, both literally and figuratively. Understanding this phrase offers a window into the rich cultural tapestry from which it comes, highlighting the importance of rhythm, whether in music or in our daily actions. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and significance of lay down the groove. We hope this video not only enriches your English vocabulary but also inspires you to appreciate the rhythms that surround us, in music and in life. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about understanding the culture and context that give them meaning. Keep grooving in your language journey, and see you in the next video.